Welcome. This is a time for connection, peace, and love. In these few minutes together, let's open our hearts to understand that we are all one, deeply connected. Here, we will give and receive love freely, sending it to ourselves, others, and all beings. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Let's start with some cleansing and deep breaths to ground you into this earth. You can follow my voice or go at your own pace for breathing. Inhale long and deep through your nose, and then exhale long and strong with your exhale through your mouth. Notice how you're releasing any remaining tension in your body. Let's try now to do these breaths for 4 seconds each. Inhale through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. Then exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Letting everything go and focus on this present moment. Now bring your awareness to your heart center. Imagine a soft, warm light glowing there, representing the deep love and kindness within you. See this light growing brighter with every breath, filling your chest with a gentle radiance. This light is your true essence, abundant with love, compassion, and peace. As it grows brighter, know that this light is not just yours. It's connected to everyone and everything around you. It is the same light that shines in every being. Take a moment to feel this love. Knowing that it flows through you and connects you with all of existence. Take an inhale again and feel this loving light expanding from your heart. Exhale and let it flow beyond you, extending outward like a soft wave, filling the space around you. Picture this love like a warm, radiant glow, gently spreading beyond the room, beyond your home, touching the world around you and making it brighter. As this light expands, imagine reaching others, your loved ones, people you know, people you've never met, and all beings across the planet. Feel the love moving freely, an endless stream that flows from your heart, connecting with the hearts of others. Visualize each person that is touched by this love that you have created, and look at them. See how they begin to glow. Their own hearts light up as they feel the warmth, comfort, and absolute joy of being loved. Now, as this love flows outward, imagine that you're also open to receiving love. Visualize love coming back to you from the universe itself, from the hearts of others, from nature, from life itself. Feel this magnificent energy pouring into you, filling you with joy, peace, and warmth in your entire mind, body, and soul. With each breath, receive this love fully. You deserve it too. Feel it, filling every cell of your body, energizing you, healing you, and reminding you of your pure worth. As you keep breathing, continue to share this love. Know that there is more than enough love for everyone in this planet, and that this energy is infinite. You are part of this endless flow of giving and receiving. In this beautiful moment that you have created, feel the truth that we are all one. Imagine a thin rope of light coming from everybody's heart, connecting to all beings in this world and beyond. Every heart has a glowing point within. See yourself as part of this magnificent connection, united with others in a shared pulse of compassion, kindness, and understanding. This love you share and the love you receive makes this universe beautiful. Every positive thought, every act of kindness, every gentle intention uplifts not just yourself, but everyone. Feel the joy of belonging, knowing that you're never truly alone. We are all one, deeply united in the essence of life itself. Take a final deep breath and thank yourself for being here, for embracing this journey, and thank the universe for this moment of unity and peace. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling your body alive and connected. Slowly open those beautiful eyes, carrying this light within you, ready to share it with the world. Thank you for this special moment. I hope today you feel abundant, united, and filled with pure, unconditional love. Remember, you're part of something greater, and the answer to everything is this love you've just created. Anywhere you go, give and receive love. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.